Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's going on your side. What are the energies on your side, Aries? So on your side we have the Three of Pentacles. So let's see what's there on your person's side. What's on your person's side, Aries? Oh, so on your person's side, we have the Five of Pentacles. Okay. The most likely outcome of this situation? The Moon. Okay. So with the Three of Pentacles, I think you have talked to somebody in your family and friends, and I think you've taken some sort of a decision after talking to your friends or family, whosoever they were. And I think you've rejected somebody here, Aries. With the Five of Pentacles, this person is feeling ignored, rejected. You've turned them down in some way. I think you've rejected their offer, and obviously, the most likely outcome is the Moon. Uncertainty. You really don't know, will the things move ahead or not? So let's take the clarifiers for this Three of Pentacles. What is this Three of Pentacles about on Aries side? What is this Three of Pentacles about for Aries? So for the Three of Pentacles, we have the Ace of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Six of Wands. Okay. Let's see what is this Five of Pentacles about. Why is this Five of Pentacles here for Aries person? So for this we have the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see what is this Moon about as the most likely outcome. Why is this Moon here as the most likely outcome for this situation? So for this we have the World, again the Moon, and the Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Ace of Wands. So Aries, what I feel here is that with the Ace of Swords, you have some sort of a new beginning. There has been some sort of a new beginning. Maybe this is what you've been talking about with your friends or whosoever is significant for you. With the Ace of Swords, definitely there was a clarity that this is a new beginning. But with the Four of Cups, what I feel here is that you are upset over something. You are still focused, or there is some sort of a, I should say, maybe some sort of a regret, some sort of, you're upset and you're too focused on the past. You're thinking about something else. And with the Six of Wands following it, it is talking about some sort of a victory. So somehow what I feel here is that maybe since as far as these cups are concerned, you are focused emotionally on something from the past. And that is why perhaps you are not ready for a relationship somehow. That's what I feel. And with the Ace of Swords, the clarity which has come to your mind is that you feel that you should focus on yourself or something else apart from this relationship at least, or any relationship as for now. Because with the Six of Wands and the Ace of Swords, there is some sort of a clarity, maybe some sort of a new thing in which you think it is better to have a success over there. So you're focused on your own success, you're focused on, and you are actually achieving victory in that. So you are successful on something. Maybe it is some sort of a partnership over here. As I said, with the Three of Pentacles, maybe you are collaborating with people or teaming up with people for some sort of a venture which can be something other than a relationship. it can be something related to your career aspect. So whatever it is, you are busy with something else, and right now I think you are not ready for a relationship. You are not wanting a relationship, and that the reason for that to me seems to be that maybe you've been hurt in the past. There are some sort of a regrets or some sort of an unhappy experience from the past, that right now you really don't want to deal with any relationship, and you want to focus yourself on your career or your own self or whatever it is, and you are achieving success in that. So relationships perhaps are not important for you, at least at this point in time, and that is why perhaps you've turned down this offer, and this person is feeling ignored and rejected. And for this five of pentacles on their side, we have the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. So definitely this person is detached from you. They are not talking to you, or you are not both of you are not talking to them. There is the energy of that non-communication and feeling distant about it. And with the Knight of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles, what I feel is that once they are rejected and ignored, they just run away from you. I think this person is just maybe making a fast exit from this relationship once they have understood that you are not ready, or you don't want at least them. Okay, whosoever this person is, you have turned down their offer, Aries, and this person has understood, and after detaching themselves, they are just very fast moving away from you, and just it's like just turning their back and running away from you. And with the Knight of Pentacles, this person is ready to seek their happiness somewhere else. So they are, I think, turning their back towards you, and they've accepted that okay, this won't be working out, so it's better to run away or move away, because they just know, for whatever the reason. There may have been some other reason also that you have turned down the offer, but whatever it is, this person is making a quick exit, and slowly and steadily they are moving towards something else or someone else. And the most likely outcome is the Moon. So here we have the World, the Moon, the Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Ace of Wands. So here what I feel is definitely there is uncertainty. You, I think, are ready to move towards a new beginning. You want, I think it's coming in the mutual's energy. So whatever it is, what I feel is it is talking about entering into your own path with the new beginnings. Though the path may be uncertain, but slowly and steadily, with the Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Ace of Wands, what I feel is though the path ahead may be uncertain, there is no clarity, you really want to move ahead. And yes, with the World being there, you are taking back the control of your life and having a new beginning slowly and steadily. So it is coming back in control, enjoying your victories, enjoying your happiness slowly and steadily. And with the Ace of Wands being there, what I feel is this is Moon again talks about that uncertainty. But yes, follow your intuition. There are new beginnings, yes, but then somehow I really don't feel that it is talking about some sort of a reunion between both of you. What I feel is the path ahead is uncertain as for now. With the Emperor, both of you perhaps are focusing on yourself and gaining control on your own lives. Okay, and that is what you are wanting basically. So let's see any other message from the universe. What is the guidance from the universe in this? Okay, so again we have the King of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the Star. See, one more thing which I'm getting is that maybe the somebody here was very controlling. With the Emperor, the King of Pentacles, can be that somebody was very controlling at some point in time, and because of that domination and dominating nature, this thing didn't work out. It can be that also for some of you, but for others of you, King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and the Star, somehow it feels that it is talking about focusing on your own things, focusing on your own things, focusing on your own dreams. It's like I really don't feel that both of you are, at least for now, focusing on each other. It's talking about focusing on your own dreams, both of you. This person is actually making a move. I really don't see both of you coming together, at least as for now. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels here. Message from the universe. Love who you are. You are divine, delightful, and deserving of the wonderful things life has to offer. Number 8 may be of some significance for you. So it's talking about self-love basically. That's what I'm getting on both the sides. That since you've turned down the offer, this person is also busy in their own life. They are moving away towards focusing on their own life, and I think it's all about focusing on yourself. And if they need a relationship, they move towards somebody else. But then as far as you are concerned, you are focused on your own, getting back to life, getting in control of your life, and focusing on your own career or something other than relationship. Aries, I really don't see you being focused on relationships as for now, at least for this person, whosoever this person is now. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.